Hi there, Lindsay Northcutt from Free Fly Design here. I've completed your website for Forever Friends Rescue. I'm loving the sleek modern feel of this site, simple and black and white, letting the animals be the stars. I used Squarespace to complete your website. As you will see, it's responsive, intuitive, and thoughtfully laid out. This is the first thing your visitors will see. As they scroll down, they'll see your logo, followed by links to adoptable pets, success stories, and down to adoption information, where I've put your adoption checklist. Below is the footer. This is a donation location, and it is visible from every page. Let's click on adoptable dogs. We can get to adoptable dogs by clicking on the image of the dog, or up here in the navigation, there's a drop down that allows you to navigate to all of the adoptable pets pages. As we scroll down, this is how adoptable dogs are laid out, as well as the other animals. There's an adoption button that navigates someone directly to that pet's adoption paperwork. Then we have the blog, followed by mission and staff, as well as volunteers. Contact information, along with location. Let's take a look at how responsive this website is. Tablet view of the Contact Us page we were just looking at. As you can see, it looks very similar, so does the navigation. Let's go to Home. It's just a little compact, but still very easy to read. The images are a little bit smaller, but still stacked very similarly. Let's take a look at the mobile view. The mobile view of the home page. You can see that the links to adoptable pets are now stacked for easier viewing, and the navigation is now a hamburger in the top left. An adoptable pets page will also have the navigation change at the top, and smaller images, but still easy to read. Thank you, and I hope you love your website.